And we are going to hit video up here and help to record. Hi, this is Judy, Clickitat County, Washington State, and I'm putting together a set of grow lights. Now, again, I bought these from Amazon, and I bought 2 packages, and my daughter already took one of them. She's got it in on a big house plant she's got that wasn't doing very good. But let's unpackage this and take a look. Okay, well, comes with a remote control on timer. That's good. I can plug it in to my computer, or or USB, or into the wall. I like that. And it comes with LED light grow instructions. And now I've got to figure out how to put the thing together. Everything I get from Amazon's got to be put together. Have you noticed that? Just keeps going. On the other hand, I would complain, but the truth is, I've had so much fun with this. It's just unbelievably fun. And then, so that goes down there. Okay. That's the stand. And then it's got more stand to it. So I'm going to undo these. Got these little screw things that go in. And then just telescope this right up there. Wow, didn't that do a job? I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to tighten up the stand-ups. There we go. And this one. And this one. Part of my problem is I'm 77. I'm just not as strong as I used to be. But I decided if I didn't find something to do with my life, I wasn't going to have a life very much longer. Because I've watched my friends sit around and wait for something to happen so that they'd get happy again, do something, have a life. Nothing ever happens. So I decided maybe I just wouldn't sit around and wait. Just get up and go. So I started a new email, getupandgo at gmail.com. Feel free to text me or email me, whatever that is. Well, this is the lights. They're kind of cool. Look at that. Each one comes covered and protected. Now, these are grow lights, so they're designed for keeping my plants going that I don't have going yet. But the truth is, I'm going to have it going. So then this goes on top here and just screws down. That seems a little tall for me. So I think I'm just going to put this down a little lower where I am. And then look at this, with the little snaky things. So I can position all these lights in any way I like, facing them down onto my plants, putting them down over whatever I want. I think this is gorgeous. I'm really excited about it. Let's see. So if I wanted this just to be an umbrella stand with fun lights, what could I do here? Could I do that? I'm thinking, yes, I can. Hoo-ha. Now, I think I'll just, real quick here, I think I'll just plug it into my computer because the computer's sitting right there, so why not? Get this stuff out of the way. Come over here. Let's find out if we have the light. And, okay. Now where's my on-off switches here? There's my on switch, I think. Let's see. Plus lights. I'm not seeing anything turn on. Uh-oh. And what does this say? It says on. I'm not sure it's got it. Might help if I take the little thing and protects the battery. Yay! Looky there. I have light. You know the little plastic piece that protects the battery in your remote control? Really helps if you take it out before you try to turn it on. I didn't. Oh well. Learning, learning, learning. It's what I do all day long, is learn. And that's a good thing because, like I said, I'm 77. And I'm at the point in life where if I don't have some fun and do things and keep my life going, I'm not going to have a life. And I don't want to be that old lady sitting in a nursing home going, and my kid's coming today. I hope my kids come today. Well, maybe they'll come tomorrow. No, I want to get in my car and go over and visit with those kids. I want the kids to have a place to come and come enjoy being over here with me. And if they don't, I still want to have a life. And so the hobby house is it. I'm going to be doing videos. I'm going to be having lots of fun. And I hope you come and join me. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.